Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn of ahmeddunn.com. Today I'll have another episode of Microsoft Word tutorial video and I'll talk about how to count words on Microsoft Word. If this is your first time or repeat visit, thank you for your support. On this channel, I'm always trying new and different ideas. If you're into thinking outside the box, this is the channel to subscribe. If you're looking for more tutorial videos, there will be links in the description box below. So I pulled one of my Egypt travel articles and you can view my full Egypt trip. There will be a link in the description box below. If you'd like to know how many words your document has, take a look on the lower left corner. So for example, this document has 343 words. And if you're already viewing this information, that means that you already have this feature activated. But if you're not able to see your words here, then you have to activate that, and you can easily do that by right clicking on the status bar. So just right click anywhere here, and here you're going to see that word count, and this is checked. So if you do not see that checked, you have to just check that, and then it will view or it will show the words right here. So if you just click here, then it's going to show even more information. For example, pages, words, characters with space and without space, and paragraphs and lines. And you can just close that if you don't need that. Now if you do not see words right here, there's another way you can see how many words your document has. And in order to do that, go to the upper left corner of your document, so where it says file. So if you click on it, and then here scroll down a little bit to see info. So if you click on the info, and here look on the right panel, and here you're going to see words, which is 343. So this is a different way to view the same information, and it shows here the words as well. So just go back. So that's all for today.